This is how I wrote a high quality SEO optimized article with baked in relevant internal links, well formatted lists and tables, and a custom HTML element along with custom images all in one click using the new update on WordRocket. So let's go ahead and show you exactly how you can do so. So to use this feature, you need to use the new All-In-One SEO Generator 2.0. The main difference is that now you can generate images and text all together. So to get your internal links, you want to go ahead and enter in your sitemap. And once you enter in your sitemap, you can then use those internal links throughout the article. You can also choose your language. We can generate in multiple different languages. And then you want to enter in the blog post topic in which you would like to write about. For this blog post topic and keyword, we'll be writing and targeting best dermatologists in Toronto. We can use your models. I like to use Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It works the best in my opinion. For word count, let's take this all the way up to 3,000 to see if we can get there. We are going to write from the first person perspective. We're going to include an HTML element. Now to generate images, you can toggle it on or off. We already have our saved key in our settings, so we don't need to enter it. As you can see, it tells us the saved key is available. We're going to generate 3 images, and we're also going to generate a cover image. So as you can see here, this is essentially all hands off. Once you generate this content, you wouldn't really have to do anything else. All you have to do is copy over your content and paste it into your WordPress site or whatever site you're using to post your blogs. So now that everything is set up, we can simply go ahead and click generate content, and the content will start generating. It will take a couple of minutes because first it's going to generate the actual content itself, the written content, and then it's going to go ahead and generate the images. So give it a couple of minutes and come back, and everything should be working and should be good to go. So the full article has been completed. I actually went ahead and choose Gemini because I had an issue with Claude. If you run into any issues with Claude using OpenRouter, then use Gemini. It's actually a little bit more reliable. So just enter in your Gemini API key directly into the tool and use Gemini, and it's actually free to use. So here is the output in which we get back. Finding your skin savior, a guide to the best dermatologist in Toronto. Are you tired of battling persistent acne, concerned about that suspicious mole? Finding the right dermatologist is crucial. Finding the best dermatologist is subjective. Researching credentials, don't hesitate to ask questions, and so on. Why finding the right dermatologist matters. And then we get actually a pull quote here, and we get the images. Now, I know the images look a little bit weird here, but if you go to Markdown and you copy it over, which I will show you in a bit, it'll actually copy over all of your images at once. So here is the full article. As you can see, it has some real life example success stories. It has some interactive elements as well, again in doc type HTML. So it's going to be easy for you to copy that over and paste it into your article. And then we get some external links, and we get some internal links as well. So pretty good. And then we get the final thoughts. And as you can see here, we now get some images that were created using OpenAI's GPT image generator. So let's go ahead and click this image here. We can download these images. As you can see, these images look really, really good. Finding your skin savior, a guide to the best dermatologist in Toronto. Dermatology office. This looks great. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. This is an image of a dermatology office in Toronto. As you can see, it looks really good. No issues with the formatting or the images at all. And this is a step-by-step infographic of how to find the best dermatologist in Toronto. So identifying your needs, researching dermatologists, narrow down your options, make your decisions, evaluate, and schedule a consultation. So this looks awesome. Let's go ahead and put this all together to see what this would look like on your actual website. So again, just go over to Markdown, copy over the Markdown. I know it's very long. We are going to make that a lot shorter. So once you copy over the Markdown, it's very easy for you to convert that. So you don't need to go to a converter. If you are in WordPress, you just simply paste it in on your WordPress site. And as you can see here, everything is going to be added in beautifully. So we get the key takeaways, we get our list, and we also get our images. Now, all that's left to do is we actually need to go ahead and convert our HTML element into something that is going to make it show up a little bit better. So what we're going to do here, we're going to just remove this block. We're going to enter in an HTML, custom HTML block, and then hit preview, and everything should look perfectly fine. So when you put it all together, you have your cover image, you have your well-formatted key takeaways, your bullet points, and your tables. You also have internal links baked into throughout the article. We have our custom infographics. We also have a custom HTML tool in which your users can use, and they can enter inputs and get outputs which again really raises the level of quality of this article. If your images for whatever reason isn't loading properly, you can simply download them and then manually put it into the article. But what we're trying to do here is trying to take away all of the heavy lifting from you and put it all together in one place. There are still a little bit of bugs here and there, but I am working on making it a little bit better. But overall, as you can see here, it truly is all in one. You click generate, you get your content, you copy it, you paste it over to WordPress, and we are working on building a WordPress integration. So again, everything will be seamless and everything will work perfectly for you to generate your content and then connect that to WordPress. So you wouldn't necessarily have to do anything on your end. And the main difference is that these are high quality articles. So again, if I go ahead and view the content, this is what it'll look like. The blog image is already baked in there. We have the key takeaway. The pull quote looks great. The content looks really, really good. The infographic looks even great as well. Let's scroll down a little bit more. The second infographic looks good as well. Finding your ideal dermatologist, resources, and then final thoughts. This is a fully complete article. Looks really, really good. I'm very happy with this. If you guys would like to try the All-In-One SEO Generator 2.0, just head over to app.wordrocket.ai. You can try it out for yourselves. If you're running into any issues, just send me over an email, support@wordrocket.ai. If you are running into issues using Claude 3.7 Sonnet, then just use Gemini API key, which is also free to use, and the output quality will be a lot better. We are in the process of resolving the Claude issue. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let it be known by giving us a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.